Hi guys, another week, another time to try out another coolest cafe in Stockholm city. We are in Lidingö, a beautiful island in a group of islands called the Stockholm Archipelago. This time we have chosen a cafe which is one of the coolest cafes in Stockholm. Today is perfect, sunny and warm. We'll have coffee and try a pastry that looks amazing. But I'm not just here to enjoy the food. I'm going to see the incredible baking process. Do you know what time they start baking?
5 in the morning.
Before today, I thought croissants were fried in oil, like a fried chicken, you know.
That's donuts.
Yeah, that's how much I know about baking. So I'm here to learn a little too. Let's go! Here is the cafe. You're here? What are you doing here?
I was just in the neighborhood.
Okay, cool. This cafe opens from 8 in the morning. It's interesting to open that hour in Stockholm especially. Close at 5 p.m. Look at what we got. This little cappuccino, krämbulle. These are all the breads and pastries you can enjoy here, and the freshly baked ones are the best. Honestly, I want to try them all. They all look so tasty. But to get these amazing looking pastries onto the shelf, what's the story behind the scenes? Who is making them? Let's go find out. Are you making kanelbulle, cinnamon bun now?
Not now. Now we're making baguettes.
Oh, baguette. This baking room is all about love and passion. Everything needs to be precise with accurate temperatures. They are prepping these for the following day.
And then we bake them tomorrow. So they will be almost like 12-14 hours.
Yeah, so make it ready now for tomorrow.
Let's wait for 14 hours in the fridge. Take it out in the morning.
Yeah.
It's very happy. It's happy.
Yeah.
It's really happy when it hits the oven.
Happy?
Happy, yeah. It's,
Wow.
you know, it's full of
The
power.
bread is happy.
It's full of power.
Wow, wow.
This cafe is alone in the forest.
Okay, yeah. It's a little bit far out, even from the Lidingö, I think.
Yeah, it's far out.
Yeah. So do you make like since 8 in the morning or like how?
I think 5 in the morning.
That's pretty early.
And we open at 8.
You see, it's hard work, starting at 5 in the morning. But you bear the fruit when the bread is finally done. To me, it's a work of art. Just imagine the satisfaction a baker must feel seeing the bread and pastries come out perfectly.
You can't shape them, you have to bake them inside something. So loose.
So yeah. It will become dense, I guess, yes. And this is the one they have already made. And the balls over there will become this. And this is Danish bread. Wow, freshly made.
In 1 hour we can take them out and sell them.
Okay.
Now it's...
Or just sit them for a bit to cool down. It's already for today. They are also waiting?
Yeah, you just bring them up as soon as they want them. Or they come down and get them.
Cooling them down, wow. Cardamom bun. Swedish signature, right? Which one is Swedish signature?
Kanelbulle.
Kanelbulle. This one is signature,
Walnut. It's hazelnut, walnut, almond.
Almond, yeah. It smells so good. Some. These are all waiting actually because they just baked.
Later.
Croissant you have to fry, right? Do you fry croissant?
No, don't fry them. We make them in the same oven as the Danish.
Okay.
Yeah, not the, we have this is the stone oven. There we make all our buns. The other oven that you saw, we make the croissants.
Okay, so it's the
with the air is fluffing around. In the stone oven, the air is still.
Okay,
and the
I
heat
see.
is coming a lot from the. These are made in the stone oven.
Oh wow! This one is stone oven, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh wow! It would be cool to watch this one, like because it's pretty big and you also weigh, right?
Half you can buy whole. Then we make them. This is 2 kilos. And we also make them like 800 grams upstairs.
Wow! Probably this is for lunch, I think.
Yeah, club sandwich.
Club sandwich.
Yeah. So now I'm like shaping and rolling all the baguettes and then like wedging them next to each other.
There's a lot to learn about baking. I would have never understood the art of making croissants if I hadn't come here. They cut the dough for croissants with such precision, so the edges stay sharp when they are wrapped. Honestly, I thought you were supposed to fry them. And just the thought alone is kind of mind-blowing. Croissant is made because I thought it was like fried
Okay. No, that's donuts.
That's donut, right?
Yeah, donuts fried.
Oh, and
Yeah.
you make croissants.
Cronut.
They're croissants.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah, when we're done with this, it's
Yeah.
going right back into the fridge.
Fridge, okay.
Yes.
Which one should I try first? I'm just gonna try coffee because it's been waiting for me too long. Here is the cappuccino. I am hoping it's gonna be the best. It looks so tasty. It's really good. Krämbulle. Actually, this is my first time trying here in Sweden. Actually, this is not their signature. Their signature is kanelbulle, cinnamon bun, right? This presentation, if you see this, like you can see the sugar around here and then the bread dough, and the concept is to know what's inside. It's not unknown, it's revealed on top. Look at this. Strawberry jam. As you can see, on top there is a strawberry and there is a vanilla, and it's gonna be vanilla in it as well. So that's all about. Oh, there is the bee. Anyway, I'm gonna try this.
Yeah, it's good content.
No good content. It's gonna sting me.
Yeah.
Okay. Then go to the hospital and stay good content. Jesus, this is our anniversary. I cannot believe. Unbelievable. The bread is good, but I'm interested. Curious, I'm gonna break this a little bit so that I can see, even though I don't want to break this very beautiful presentation. Ooh, look at this. You see this? That's this cream. So there is a whipped cream and then vanilla cream and strawberry jam as it is shown on top. So it's revealed, but inside is more tasty when you really try the bread. Really, really yummy. Seriously yummy. You wanna try? You try a little and tell me what you think.
Similarity.
We're struggling with this bee. What do you want? And then taste of a cappuccino. This is the best. The best. Except for the bee. You go away, bee. Problematic with this bee. This place is getting extremely busy. So this is in the backyard of the cafe where you can also sit by the water. This is the best spot. So you can enjoy your coffee, your fika the most at this area. By the water. Around this area, there are many people sitting right now and enjoying their fika with friends and of course their favorite coffee and pastry. Yeah, very beautiful water site. Some people are even taking a bath. And there is little doggy here. I'm just gonna go order more pastry. I'm curious about more of their pastries here after experiencing amazing baking process and the best bakers ever in town. But before that, look at this line. This place is not hidden. Like it's very busy and it's like long queue here. It makes sense, it's lunch hour. So we're gonna go check over there before ordering more pastry from the cafe. Here, this area is also pretty much crowded, but it's not like occupied by people. If it's in a city or like this garden, it will be overly crowded. So it's just the amount that you can enjoy. It's not too noisy, you know. It's by the water and surrounded by the nature. You can stay enjoy and have peace and quietness. And you can still have a good conversation if you're coming here with your families or friends. So I think, it's still enjoyable. I enjoy those kind of vibe. I won't say this is overcrowded. This is a good amount of crowded. So we drove here. You can also take bus. It's a little bit far out in Lidingö. Let's try another round of the pastry at this best cafe ever. So we're gonna start with the Swedish signature cinnamon bun, kanelbulle in Swedish. I hope I am sounding alright. So apparently it's called cinnamon bun and cinnamon on top, of course, and then some sugar, and then the bread, and that's their typical Swedish Fika. So we're gonna try this one. This one's really good because normally if you just get it from the store, the cinnamon bun can be sometimes dry or kind of tasteless, but this one has a good consistency. The bread, it is soft, and at the same time it has this thickness and rich in the taste, and it smells so refreshing. Seriously, this is the quality cinnamon bun. I'm gonna try this guy. This is really good. I have a very funny idea about how croissants are made. Until today, I visited the baker's room and I learned something that croissants are not fried at all. Today I learned something. This is really good one. It's not sweet at all for sure, but as you can see, even though it is not fried, since it is made in a right temperature, so the consistency is really good, soft on the inside and it's crispy on the outside. Look at this. Really good. The bread inside, how it's layered. It's the art of making croissant. It's not easy. It's like it needs the exact measurement, exact temperature. And I learned something from the bakers that it's quite difficult in summertime to make a very good croissant because of the temperature. It can quite warm, so it needs to cool down a little bit. This one I'm gonna rate like 8 out of 10. Okay, so I guess that's about this cafe, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and make sure whenever you are nearby this beautiful Lidingö, Stockholm Archipelago, make sure you make your way to this cafe, Cafe Market. Behind me is the beautiful water, and most importantly, they have the best coffee and pastry ever and the sweetest bakers ever. And thank you to the cafe once again for letting me film the baking process, which is very beautiful and exciting. And we had a great time here, and I hope you will give it a visit whenever you are nearby. By the way, if you don't know, I have been making this cafe, Coolest Cafe series in Stockholm. So you go visit to the other vlog, and I will see you guys next time in the next vlog. Bye!